Cholesterol control. Does dark chocolate reduce cholesterol? Expert speaks. Cholesterol control. Does consuming dark chocolate helps to reduce your cholesterol? Dark chocolate for cholesterol. Although high cholesterol can be genetic, it's usually brought on by poor lifestyle choices, making it both curable and preventive. In some cases, medication as well as a good diet and regular exercise can help lower high cholesterol. But guess what? If you're concerned about reducing your cholesterol, eating dark chocolate is one way. Studies show that intake of cocoa powder, in dark chocolate, helps reduce cholesterol due to the presence of polyphenols and flavonoids in cocoa. If your total cholesterol is between 200 and 239 milligrams per deciliter, it is typically regarded as borderline high. If it's greater than 240 milligrams per deciliter, it's regarded as high. If your LDL cholesterol is between 130 and 159 milligrams per deciliter, it is typically regarded as borderline high. If it is greater than 160 milligrams per deciliter, it is regarded as high. If your HDL cholesterol is less than 40 milligrams per deciliter, it is typically regarded as poor. How does dark chocolate reduce cholesterol? So, cocoa derivatives such as at least 70% dark chocolate contain a high amount of polyphenols, which are responsible for improved health by raising good cholesterol, HDL, lowering blood pressure and blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of heart disease, as per the nutritionist. Best ways to add dark chocolate to your diet. 1 cup of almond milk is blended with 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut cream and a few drops of stevia or monk fruit. Jaggery or honey are other options to enhance the taste, if you are not diabetic. Using cacao powder is better than using cocoa powder as it is richer in polyphenols. To benefit from this, cacao powder blend's heart protective qualities. Consume it every other day or twice a week. For breaking news and updates, like us on Facebook or follow us on Twitter and Instagram.